What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Wednesday. AMC today had a pretty decent day. I slightly reduced my position size a little bit today. You guys can see that it's up nearly 3% overall on the day the market's closed, so that's why I'm making this video. A lot of consolidation on the 4-hour time frame. We're seeing that it's starting to establish somewhat of a support level as of right now. We're not seeing indication of an uptrend, indication of a downtrend, kind of just really flatlining, establishing somewhat of a support. So a step in the right direction for this would be that we actually begin to trade above, if anything, really $40 a share, where this thing can actually begin to recover. So overall goal, of course, is to return back to $50 a share, which would be about a 34% upside. But even if it ends up returning to previous resistance levels right around 47 to 48, that's about 28%. So again, a step in the right direction, a pretty decent day, but it wouldn't be much of a surprise if it, slightly pulls on back to about $36 a share if we end up experiencing that same resistance level. Not only did I want to talk about this, but of course I wanted to talk about TQQQ. So TQQQ is a NASDAQ ETF. This goes up when the overall market goes up. It goes down when the NASDAQ market goes down. Up $600 on the day. We're still oversold. We're still not truly indicating signs of an uptrend. It was just a decent day for the market. We could see that based off of previous highs and where it's at right now, offers about 21% potential if we were to make a full recovery. So I would like to see some form of indication of an uptrend, which is then when I would like to increase my position size from just $20,000 all the way up to $100,000. So again, I have a 20% position size right now. I wanted enough money in TQQQ, so I feel motivated to follow up with it and to take it seriously. But just in case it still pulls on back, again, that I don't become an emotional mess. And overall, looking at it big picture, the reason that I was okay with buying the dip on something like TQQQ is this is the past year, and you can see that it's been very, very bullish. I decided to buy when it pulled on back, and based off of previous lows, as patterns tend to repeat themselves, they don't always have to, it tends to recover as the NASDAQ market tends to be more bullish than it is bearish, meaning that it increases over a larger period of time. The only other stock that I wanted to talk about very quickly is one that was actually shared to me by one of our followers on Instagram. His name is Chris, so huge shout out to you, Chris. DKS, which is Dick's Sporting Goods, funny name, right? On the day chart, very bullish, very consistent. Previously hit highs at 147, recently pulled on back like a lot of other stocks right now, and it looks like if it were to make a recovery, this thing offers about a 23% upside. So not only did I want to provide you guys with an update on a stock that, again, I'm personally invested in, but as well as another oversold stock that's a good quality company that has good previous just history, right? Very bullish, very consistent. And if you're someone that likes to focus on stocks that are bullish, consistent over a larger period of time, this would make sense to maybe meet your criteria. So you can add it to your watch list, set effective alerts. I would set an alert for the break above around 120 to 121, just to make sure that we get that proper indication of when it begins to trade above that EMA line. But again, there's two sides to every opportunity. So I'm going to go ahead and also set an alert if we end up breaking below its previous support level. So I'd love to see this thing recover. I'm sure a lot of you guys can agree. And this is why I'm adding this stock to my oversold watch list. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you guys haven't done so already. And if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to join our free Facebook group. And it's actually the first link in the description to join over 314,000 members. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.